Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy, friends. Today I am going to start biology class 2. You should have known that already we have completed physics class and all the portions, all the topics in physics has been completed by Sunil sir, and I am going to take up biology, and slowly our channel has becoming one-stop solution for all the GS topics, that is for general science, physics, biology and chemistry. It has become one-stop solution. I will be completing biology one after the other topics, and today I'm going to see photosynthesis, which is a very important topic. It has potential of 1 or 2 marks. It's paka, friends. So let us see. Photosynthesis: all green plants in presence of light and chlorophyll utilizes CO2 and water to synthesize their own food materials, is called photosynthesis. See friends, we know that plant system, that is plants are green in color, and this color is given by chlorophyll, because chlorophyll green pigment is a green pigment present in the leaves that are responsible to catch the energy from sunlight. And this chlorophyll also takes water from the soil through roots and via stem, and it also takes CO2 from air and also acts as a catalyst in the chemical reaction, friends. Okay, so chlorophyll is an important pigment that we have to learn. Chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. We all know that. So chlorophyll present in the chloroplast, friends. But we should know that it is present in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. Chlorophyll also contains magnesium. Chlorophyll also contains magnesium, friends. Chlorophyll absorbs yellow, blue and other colors, but it will not absorb the green color. Green color will be reflected from the chlorophyll, so that the plants look like in green color, friends. See friends, if any body with which color it was seen by us is the color it was reflecting. Suppose if we take a rose, if it is in a red color, it will absorb all the wavelengths of colors, but it will reflect only the red color, so that it will appear for us in red. In the same way, plants, that is the chlorophyll containing plants, reflects green color, in the sense it's not absorbing green color, it absorbs other colors. In the same way, there are other pigments which gives colors to the plants or flowers and fruits. See friends, if we see carotenoids, which is found mainly in carrot and mango, this gives a reddish orange color, that is with a mix of red and yellow color, is given by carotenoids pigments, friends. Even in tomatoes, guava, papaya and rose hips and watermelon has lycopene. Lycopene are responsible pigments which are responsible to give away red color, friends. Okay, in the same way, beetroot appears in deep red color due to the presence of betalains. Betalains is the pigment responsible for beetroot to give away deep red color. In the same way, Beta cyanin is another pigment which varies from red to violet in color. We can see some flowers in red or royal red, in such colors, which contains beta cyanin. In the same way, another important pigment or pigments are carotenoids and xanthophylls. These two pigments are present in the leaf, friends. These two pigments will absorb other wavelengths which chlorophyll can't absorb. So xanthophylls appears in yellow pigment. This is also called plant pigments, carotenoids and xanthophylls are plant pigments. Carotenoids and xanthophylls are plant carotenoids and xanthophylls are types of plant pigments that plays a role in the metabolism of plants, which absorbs the wavelength that chlorophyll cannot absorb. See friends, all the wavelengths of light is not absorbed by the chlorophyll itself. So there are other two plant pigments, carotenoids and xanthophylls. They serve as protection to excessive amount of sunlight to prevent further damage in plants. This excessive amount of sunlight is absorbed by, or we can say that some part of the sunlight is shared by carotenoids and xanthophylls, so that certain amount of burden is transferred from chlorophyll to these pigments. Thereby it is preventing further damage to the plant. When there is more sunlight, you can see that plants get fade away, they will get weary. So friends, these carotenoids and xanthophylls also absorb some sunlight by sharing its burden of chlorophyll, friends. Photosynthesis is an anabolic process. So what is anabolic process? Anabolic process is the process in which simple substances is converted into complex molecules, friends. Converted into complex molecules, which occurs in photosynthesis occurs in two phases: light reaction and dark reaction. Let us see the difference between light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in the presence of light. So the dark reaction does not require light. It doesn't mean that it occurs only in darkness. No friends, it does not require light. It can happen. Reaction happens in daytime as well as the night time. The requirement of light is not there. That's the thing. It occurs, whereas light reaction occurs only in the daytime, whereas dark reaction occurs both in day and night. See friends, light reaction occurs in the grana of chloroplast, whereas dark reaction occurs in the stroma of chloroplast, which is very important, friends. Light reaction produce energy molecules like ATP, friends. ATP. Whereas in this dark reaction, this ATP is utilized in this dark reaction, friends. ATP is utilized in the dark reaction. Light reaction has two main steps. See friends, we have seen that in photosynthesis there is light reaction and dark reaction. In light reaction further it has two main steps. The first step is photolysis and the second step is photophosphorylation. What is photolysis? Photo means light. Lysis means division. Is splitting of water molecules into OH minus and H plus ions in the presence of sunlight. Photophosphorylation means conversion of ATP from ADP. See friends, ADP in the sense adenosine diphosphate. There will be only two phosphate in ADP, whereas in ATP adenosine triphosphate, three phosphate molecules will be there. Photophosphorylation is nothing but addition of one more phosphate to the ADP, adenosine diphosphate. This is light reaction. Light reaction consists of photolysis and photophosphorylation. In dark reaction, here hydrogen ion are used to reduce carbon dioxide to form glucose friends. In dark reaction doesn't need photo. It can happen in daylight as well as in night time. Here the H plus ions which is produced in the see friends, the H plus ions which is produced in the photolysis process is utilized here in dark reaction to reduce the carbon dioxide to form glucose friends. So the overall chemical reaction formula is 6CO2 12H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll forms glucose, oxygen and water friends. Glucose, oxygen and water. Here you have to note that carbon dioxide plus water gives rise to glucose, oxygen and also water friends. The product of photosynthesis is glucose and it is stored initially in the form of starch friends. The byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. What are the factors affecting photosynthesis? Light intensity, CO2 concentration and temperature friends. The suitable temperature for photosynthesis is minus 35 degrees centigrade to plus 75 degrees centigrade friends. 75 degree centigrade. Okay friends, what is the importance of photosynthesis? Of course, to produce food for all organisms. See friends, many plants can access their food through photosynthesis. If there is plants, then only all the animals and including mankind will survive. See, other importance is the photosynthesis releases oxygen friends. The other importance is photosynthesis release oxygen, which is a life support gas for the entire living creatures. Let us see some one-liner bits which is very important. The chemical used to test starch is iodine. The process by which green plants prepare their own food is through photosynthesis. The products of photosynthesis are, see friends, this is the product is glucose and the byproducts are water and oxygen. Another question is, dash plant does not perform photosynthesis. See friends, mushroom and fungus doesn't doesn't undergo photosynthesis process, or there will be photosynthesis process will be absent in mushrooms and fungus. The site of light reaction, this light reaction happens in grana of chloroplast. In the same way, dark reaction occurs in stromo of chloroplast. ATP is called energy currency of the cell, adenosine triphosphate. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. The reaction by which the water molecules are broken down by means of photolysis, friends. Photolysis, this is the first process in the light reaction. The help of light, photo means light, lysis means breakdown. First stable product formed during CO2 fixation is phosphoglyceric acid. These are one-liners you have to remember, friends. These are the one-liners you have to remember. The substance from which oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis is water, which is this bit is very much important, friends. See, we are getting oxygen from plant consumes carbon dioxide and water. We think that most of the people think that the oxygen which is released by the plant through photosynthesis, that oxygen is not from CO2, but it is from water. It is from water. Due to photolysis of water, we get oxygen. Type of chlorophyll molecule commonly found in plant. There are many types of chlorophyll, A, B, C, D, E. See, friends, in plant we commonly find chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, friends. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Type of chlorophyll molecules commonly found in plant is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. There is an atom of magnesium. See, friends, what is the difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? Chlorophyll A contains CH3 group, friends. CH3 group. Whereas in chlorophyll B, we have, instead of CH3, we have CHO group. CHO group, friends. Okay, that is the difference. We have seen that chlorophyll already contains magnesium. There is an atom of magnesium is found in the center of chlorophyll, friends. The rate of photosynthesis is maximum at red light and is minimum at the white light. What does this mean, friends? The rate of photosynthesis is maximum when the received light has most of the wavelength at red light. See, friends, in WebGR photosynthesis maximum at red light wavelength and it is minimum at violet light. It goes on decreases from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet, friends. That is the meaning. Photochemical reaction or light reaction is completed in the grana of chlorophyll. Photochemical reaction or light reaction is also called Hill reaction, friends. Dark chemical reaction is also called Kelvin-Benson cycle. The dark chemical reaction takes place in the stroma of chlorophyll. Photosynthesis is the only natural carbon fixing process on earth. It is true, friends. Photosynthetic bacteria contains chlorophyll in tiny bodies called chromatophores. See friends, some of the bacteria are autotrophic because they contain chlorophyll. These autotrophic bacteria contains chlorophyll, and these are called chromatophores. Chromatophores, friends. Okay friends, I have given some of the important one-liners. I hope the photosynthesis topic is useful for you. Stay tuned to our channel. You can download this PDF in the FB page, which the link is given in the description box. You can go visit our page, like our page, and download this PDF of photosynthesis. Thank you friends. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thank you friends.